Hello everyone, in this video we will continue practicing how to find the half and the whole. So, we're going to be doing some exercises today where we will be filling in the blanks for some questions. So, we're going to start with these where we are basically looking for the halves of specific numbers. So, let's get started right away. In this first one, we see a sentence that says the half of 10 is blank. That's what we need to fill in. We need to find the half of 10, and then we need to write because this number, whatever we find here, added to itself will give me 10. And this makes me think, okay, so what number, if I add it to itself, would give me 10? Is it 1? 1 plus 1 would give me 2. Is it 2? No, because 2 plus 2 would give me 4. Is it 3? No, because 3 plus 3 would give me 6. Is it 4? No, because 4 plus 4 would give me 8. Is it 5? Yes, because 5 plus 5 would indeed give me 10. So 5 is the half of 10. There we go. The half of 8 is what? Let's think. Is it 1? 1 and 1 would give me 2. 2 and 2 would give me 4. 3 and 3 would give me 6. 4 and 4 would give me 8. So yes, 4 and 4 would give me 8. So 4 is the half of 8. Next up, we want to find the half of 12. Okay, so let's start again. 1 and 1 gives me 2. 2 and 2 gives me 4. 3 and 3 gives me 6. 4 and 4 gives me 8. 5 and 5 gives me 10. 6 and 6 gives me 12. So 6 plus 6 gives me 12. So 6 is the half of 12. Next up, the half of 4. 1 and 1 gives me 2. 2 and 2 gives me 4. So 2 plus 2 gives me 4. So 2 is the half of 4. Next, the half of 2 is what? Well, 1 and 1 gives me 2. So 1 and 1 gives me 2. So 1 is the half of 2. Next up, we want the half of 6. 1 and 1 gives me 2. 2 and 2 gives me 4. 3 and 3 gives me 6. So 3 and 3 gives me 6. So 3 is the half of 6. Next up, we want the half of 18. Okay, this is going to be a long one, so let's go. 1 and 1 gives me 2. 2 and 2 gives me 4. 3 and 3 gives me 6. 4 and 4 gives me 8. 5 and 5 gives me 10. 6 and 6 gives me 12. 7 and 7 gives me 14. 8 and 8 gives me 16. 9 and 9 gives me 18. So 9 and 9 is what I'm looking for. So the half of 18 is 9. Now we want the half of 20. 1 and 1 gives me 2. 2 and 2 gives me 4. 3 and 3 gives me 6. 4 and 4 gives me 8. 5 and 5 gives me 10. 6 and 6 gives me 12. 7 and 7 gives me 14. 8 and 8 gives me 16. 9 and 9 gives me 18. 10 and 10 gives me 20. Okay, there we go. 10 and 10. And of course, if you remember these without having to count each individual number, to if you remember, okay, well, 10 plus 10 gives me 20 without having to go through each number on their own. Yeah, you don't have to do that. That's only in case you do not remember which number I have to add to itself to get 20. If you do remember, great for you. You don't have to do that. Next up, we want the half of 16. So we're going to say 1 plus 1 gives me 2. 2 and 2 gives me 4. 3 and 3 gives me 6. 4 and 4 gives me 8. 5 and 5 gives me 10. 6 and 6 gives me 12. 7 and 7 gives me 14. 8 and 8 gives me 16. So 8 plus 8. So the half of 16 is 8. Next up, the half of 14. 1 and 1 gives me 2. 2 and 2 gives me 4. 3 and 3 gives me 6. 4 and 4 gives me 8. 5 and 5 gives me 10. 6 and 6 gives me 12. 7 and 7 gives me 14. So 7 and 7. So the half of 14 is 7. The half of 8. 1 and 1 gives me 2. 2 and 2 gives me 4. 3 and 3 gives me 6. 4 and 4 gives me 8. So 4 and 4. So the half of 8 is 4. All right, so that's how we do these. Now let's go on to our second exercise. In the second exercise, we are given the half and we are looking for the whole. So it says here, if 6 is the half, then this number, whatever we put in here, is the whole, because 6 plus 6 gives me what? Well, 6 plus 6 gives me 12. So if 6 is the half, then 12 is the whole. Let's think about this. What is this exercise saying? Let's say we have a box, okay, and we have a number of marbles. I don't know how many, but I've put in this half of the box, I've put one half, and in this part of the box, I've put the other half. And it says that one of the halves is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means that there's another 6 on this side, right? And then the whole is what I get if I put all of these together. So 6 plus 6, just like we did here, 6 plus 6. So basically, if I know the half, like here, I know the half is 2. All I have to do to find the whole is just add 2 to itself. So 2 and 2. Well, 2 and 2 gives me 4. So if 2 is the half, then 4 is the whole. Next, if 10 is the half, then what is the whole? Well, to find that, I need to do 10 plus 10, and 10 plus 10 gives me 20. So the whole will be 20. Next up, if 7 is the half, then what is the whole? Well, 7 plus 7 would give me 14. So 14 is the whole. If 9 is the half, then what is the whole? Well, 9 plus 9 give me 18. So 18 is the whole. Next up, if 4 is the half, then what is the whole? 4 plus 4 would give me 8. So 8 is the whole. If 5 is the half, then what is the whole? 5 plus 5 gives me 10. So 10 is the whole. If 3 is the half, then what is the whole? 3 plus 3 gives me 6, so the whole is 6. If 1 is the half, well, I know that 1 plus 1 is 2, so the whole will be 2. And lastly, if 8 is the half, then what is the whole? 8 plus 8 gives me 16, so the whole will be 16. Okay, that'll be all for today, guys. Tomorrow and on Thursday, you've got worksheets to do. So I will be seeing you again on Friday. Have a good day.